Hello everyone, welcome in SRG Technical. Now, in today's lecture, we will going to see practical number 2, PMMC and YAMA instruments. PMMC stands for Permanent Magnet Moving Coil and YAMA stands for Moving Iron Instruments. Okay, practical number 2, PMMC and YAMA instruments. Uh, Practical significance, practical practicalचे महत्त्व. In the industry, electrical engineering diploma graduates are expected to handle PMMC and MI instruments to measure basic parameters like voltage and current of field devices, equipments. Okay, once again I will repeat. In the industry, electrical engineering diploma graduates are expected to handle PMMC and MI instruments to measure basic parameters like voltage and current of field devices, equipments. In some situations, it becomes necessary to identify the faulty components of the instruments. This practical will help you in acquiring necessary skill to identify the components of PMMC and MI instruments. Okay, this practical will help you in acquiring necessary skills to identify the components of PMMC and MI instruments. Okay, practical number 2, PMMC and MI instruments. Okay, relevant program outcomes. They given relevant program outcome POs, discipline knowledge, experiment and practice, engineering tool. Okay, discipline knowledge. What is discipline knowledge? Program outcome we will get apply electrical engineering knowledge to solve a broad based electrical engineering related problems. Okay, experiments and practices, plan to perform experiments and practices to use the results to solve broad based electrical engineering problems. Okay, engineering tools, apply relevant electrical technologies and tools with an understanding of the limitations. Next, competency and practical skills. This practical is expected to develop the following skills for the industry identified competency. Use relevant measuring instruments in different electrical applications. Use measuring instruments. Identify the components of measuring instruments. Okay. Practical outcome. Identify the components of PMMC and MI instruments. Okay, this is actual our practical outcome. Identify the components of PMMC and MI instruments. Okay, this is our aim. Identify the components of PMMC and MI instruments. Relevant affective domain related outcomes. Follow safety practices. Maintain tools and equipments. Minimum theoretical background for this practical PMMC instruments construction. The instruments has a deflection system, controlling system and damping system. The deflection consists of a permanent magnet made of alnico, a core of soft iron and moving coil of enameled copper wire. Okay, the deflecting system consists of a permanent magnet made of alnico, a core of soft iron and moving coil of enameled copper wire. The moving coil has a thin cross section and about 50 to 100 tons. ओके, परमनंट मॅग्नेट मुव्हिंग कॉईल. याच्यामध्ये काय होणार आहे, मॅग्नेट परमनंट असेल बट कॉईल मूव्ह होईल. ओके, अशा प्रकारच्या इन्स्ट्रुमेंटची बांधणी कन्स्ट्रक्शन. द इन्स्ट्रुमेंट्स हॅज अ डिफ्लेक्टिंग सिस्टम. अशा इन्स्ट्रुमेंटना डिफ्लेक्टिंग सिस्टम आहे, कंट्रोलिंग सिस्टम आहे आणि डॅम्पिंग सिस्टम सुद्धा आहे. ओके, द डिफ्लेक्टिंग सिस्टम कन्सिस्ट ऑफ ए परमनंट मॅग्नेट made of alnico, a core of soft iron and moving coil of enameled copper wire. The moving coil has a thin cross section and about 50 to 100 tons. It is wound on a rectangular aluminum former. The former is pivoted on a spindle. Okay, The moving coil is free to rotate in the air gap of permanent magnet and fixed core. Moving coil is free to rotate in the gap of in the gap of permanent magnet and fixed core. Controlling system consists of springs called control springs made of phosphor bronze. Springs also acts as the lead for current. Damping torque is produced by principle of eddy current. Damping torque is produced by principle of eddy current. Eddy current damping system generates eddy currents in the permanent magnet and damps the oscillation of indicating pointer by providing force in the opposite direction. Okay, this is the minimum theoretical background for permanent magnet moving coil instrument. Again, here permanent magnet moving coil instrument operation, a deflecting torque is produced proportional to current. Okay, a deflecting torque is produced proportional to current through the moving coil, which moves in the field of permanent magnet. Control spring produce the controlling torque which is proportional to angle of deflection. Eddy currents circulating in the aluminum former produce damping torque which is proportional to eddy EMF induced in it. Okay, this is the permanent magnet moving coil instrument having deflecting system, controlling system and damping system. In deflecting system there are three components consist of permanent magnet, moving coil, iron core. Okay, these three components are consist in deflecting system. In controlling system, control spring, okay, control spring component is consisted. In damping system consists of eddy currents. Okay, again moving coil is of enameled copper wire of thin cross section and about 50 to 100 tons. Okay, and wound on a rectangular aluminum former which is pivoted on the spindle. Free to rotate in the gap of core and permanent magnet. Okay, and eddy current are developed in the aluminum former. Okay, figure 1 structure of PMMC instrument. हे कॉम्पोनंट आपण पाहणार आहोत परमनंट मॅग्नेट मूव्हिंग कॉइल आयर्न कोअर कंट्रोलिंग स्प्रिंग. ठीक आहे. रिपल्शन टाइप MI instrument. Okay, MI instrument, repulsion type MI instruments construction. The instruments has deflecting system, controlling system and damping system. Deflecting system consists of a circular coil. A soft iron piece called fixed iron is attached to the coil from inside. Spindle is along the axis of coil. Another soft iron piece called as moving iron is attached to the spindle. Controlling system consists of spring called control spring made of phosphor bronze. Damping system consists of air friction damping. Repulsion type MI instruments operation. While coil carries current, the soft iron piece gets magnetized. Similar poles are formed on the nearer faces of soft iron pieces and they repel each other. Thus, the deflecting torque is due to the repulsion and it is proportional to square of the current through the coil. Okay. Control spring provide the controlling torque which is proportional to angle of deflection. Air friction damping is provided to the instrument, so damping torque is proportional to movement of piston in the chamber. Okay. In repulsion MI, when coil carries current, then three torques are produced as deflecting torque, controlling torque, damping torque. Okay. Now deflecting torque is proportional to square of the current. Controlling torque is proportional to angle of deflection. Damping torque is proportional to movement of piston in chamber. Okay, figure 2, structure of moving iron repulsion type instrument. We can see here practical setup, circuit diagram, work situation. Okay, figure 3, internal structure of PMMC instruments. हे कॉम्पोनंट आपल्याला ओळखायचे आहेत, हे कॉम्पोनंट पाहायचे आहेत. ओके, पॉइंटर दिलेला आहे. हॉर्सशू मॅग्नेट, अप्पर हेअर स्प्रिंग, ओके, पोल पीस इथं दाखवलेलं आहे स्केमॅटिक डायग्राममध्ये, सर्किट डायग्राममध्ये. आयर्न कोर, ओके, सपोर्ट फॉर कोर, लोअर हेअर स्प्रिंग, लोअर हेअर स्प्रिंग, अप्पर हेअर स्प्रिंग. Spring is provided for controlling torque. Okay, and this is the internal structure of repulsion type YAMA instruments. Here is the moving iron. Okay, and this is the fixed iron. नावातच आहे moving iron. Non-uniformly divided scale. This is the non-uniformly divided scale. Air vane to produce damping torque. Coil, okay, coil is wound and iron is moving in YAMA instrument. Okay, now conducting for this practical, resources required: PMMC instruments working model voltmeter ammeter quantity 1, YAMA instruments working model voltmeter ammeter quantity 1, screwdriver standard size, plier standard size number 1. Procedure precautions to be followed: use a proper screwdriver, don't exert more pressure while opening the screw. Okay, procedure. Part A, identification of permanent magnet moving coil instrument. Observe the given working model of PMMC instruments. Observe deflecting, controlling and damping system. Draw sketch showing all parts of the instruments and label them. Note, use blank sheet provided to draw the sketch. Okay, this is the procedure of part A, identification of permanent magnet moving coil instrument, PMMC instruments. Okay, and this is the part B of practical, identification of YAMA instrument. Observe the given working model of YAMA instrument. Observe deflecting, controlling and damping system. Draw sketch showing all parts of the instruments and label them. Okay, here is the resources used. Name of resources, जर तुम्ही परमनंट मॅग्नेट मुव्हिंग कॉइलचा व्होल्टमीटर यूज केला असेल तर तो इथं लिहायचा आहे. नेम ऑफ रिसोर्स व्होल्टमीटर, मेक व्होल्टमीटर कोणत्या कंपनीचा आहे, ब्रॉड स्पेसिफिकेशनमध्ये तो येईल, त्याच्या डिटेल्स, क्वांटिटी किती आहे 1 2. ओके, रिमार्क. अशा पद्धतीने तुम्ही जे इन्स्ट्रुमेंट्स ओपन करून त्याच्यातील डिफ्लेक्टिंग सिस्टम, कंट्रोलिंग सिस्टम किंवा डॅम्पिंग सिस्टम ऑब्झर्व करणार आहात PMMC अँड YAMA इन्स्ट्रुमेंट्स. ओके, ते इन्स्ट्रुमेंट्स इथे लिहायचे आहेत. व्होल्टमीटर, ॲमीटर असेल किंवा वॅटमीटर असेल. ॲक्च्युअल प्रोसिजर फॉलोड. ओके, ॲक्च्युअल प्रोसिजर तुम्ही कोणती फॉलो केलेले आहेत. सर्वप्रथम तो इन्स्ट्रुमेंट ओपन केला. ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये सर्वप्रथम तुम्हाला काय दिसलं, कॉम्पोनंट्स कोणकोणते आहेत, तो इन्स्ट्रुमेंट्स कोणत्या टाईपचा आहे, परमनंट मॅग्नेट मुव्हिंग कॉइलचा आहे का मुव्हिंग आयर्नचा आहे, तो ऑब्झर्व करायला पाहिजे. ओके, त्याचबरोबर त्याच्यामध्ये कोणकोणते कॉम्पोनंट्स आहेत, तो इन्स्ट्रुमेंट परमनंट मॅग्नेट मुव्हिंग कॉइलचा असेल तर ते कॉम्पोनंट्स आयडेंटिफाय करायला बघायचे आहेत. ओके, त्याची प्रोसिजर इथं लिहायचे आहेत. ठीक आहे. ऑब्झर्वेशन्स अँड कॅल्क्युलेशन्स, ऑब्झर्वेशन्स अँड कॅल्क्युलेशन, इथे ऑब्झर्वेशन्स अँड कॅल्क्युलेशन्स लिहायचे आहेत. ओके, नेक्स्ट रिझल्ट्स, ते रिझल्ट्स लिहायचे, इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ रिझल्ट्स राईट ओव्हर हिअर अँड फायनली कन्क्लुजन राईट ओव्हर हिअर. ओके, द sentences given for writing conclusions. Then practical related questions. Teacher should provide various questions related to practical sample given. Okay, अशा पद्धतीचे काही प्रश्न असतील. State the constructional difference between PMMC and YAMA instruments. Observe the scale of PMMC and YAMA instruments and comment on it. Okay, हे क्वेश्चन आन्सर लिहिण्यासाठी मॅन्युअलमध्ये वेगळी स्पेस दिलेली आहे. ओके, त्याचा यूज करायचा आहे. त्याचबरोबर रेफरन्सेस, सजेशन फॉर फर्दर रिडिंग्स, रेफरन्स बुक वगैरे ऑथरचे नेम दिलेले आहेत तिथे. ठीक आहे, सजेस्टेड असेसमेंट स्कीम, या प्रॅक्टिकलसाठी असेसमेंट कशा पद्धतीने द्यायचे आहेत तो इथे असेसमेंट स्कीम सांगितलेलं आहे. परफॉर्मन्स इंडिकेटर्स इथे दिलेले आहेत. त्याचबरोबर प्रोडक्ट रिलेटेड 4 मार्क्स आहेत, प्रोसेस रिलेटेड 6 मार्क्स आहेत. ओके, परफॉर्मन्स इंडिकेटर, प्रोसेस रिलेटेड 6 मार्क्स अँड प्रोडक्ट रिलेटेड 4 मार्क्स. इथे पर्सेंटेजमध्ये वेटेज दिलेलं आहे. ठीक आहे. हँडलिंग ऑफ द इन्स्ट्रुमेंट 60%, हँडलिंग ऑफ द इन्स्ट्रुमेंट्स 10%, आयडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ कॉम्पोनंट डायल स्केल 40%, मेजरिंग व्हॅल्यू using suitable instruments 0%, working in team 10%. Okay, and product related 4 marks weightage total दिलेला आहे. writing result 10%, interpretation of result 0%, conclusions 0%. Okay, practical related questions 25%, submitting the journal in time 5%. Okay, total 10 mark and weightage is 100%. Name of student team member. ठीक है. Mark obtained process related out of 6, product related out of 4, total 10. Dated signature of teacher. अशा पद्धतीने एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 2 हा तुमचा कंडक्ट होईल. ठीक आहे. एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 2 प्रॅक्टिकल सेटअप आपण आता पाहायला जाणार आहोत. प्रॅक्टिकल सेटअप मी दाखवण्याचा प्रयत्न करणार आहे. ओके. Internal structure of PMMC instrument and internal structure of MI instruments we will going to see, and we will going to identify the components of PMMC and MI instruments. Okay. I have one PMMC instrument voltmeter. I will going to show you see in the video. Okay. Here we can see this is a permanent magnet moving coil. It is a DC voltmeter. Okay, in the video I will show you. I will try to show you. Okay. Here we can see this is moving coil. Okay, this is moving coil and this is permanent magnet inside of this former aluminum former. We can see here inside of this aluminum former, this is the former aluminum former, and inside of this moving permanent magnet, and this is the moving coil. Okay, in this way coil is mounted on the aluminum former soft iron piece, and here we can see upper spring, upper hair spring. Okay, and in this side, in the lower side we can see the spring. Okay, springs acts as a to provide control torque to the pointer. And this is pointer, we can see here, this is pointer. Okay, this is moving coil, and this is for zero adjustment or zero correction point is given here. Okay, I will try to show you adjustment pointer in the zero position. Okay, Now I have one another instruments, Yamaha instruments. I will try to show you here. This is the moving iron instrument. Okay, coil is fixed. In this structure coil is fixed and iron is moving. Okay, here we can see in the up here is the spring is provided for the controlling purpose, controlling torque purpose. Okay, this is the spring, phosphor spring. I will show you the point of pen. Okay, this is the spring. Okay, and this is the part of coil. Fixed coil is wound on a frame, and this is the moving iron. When the current is passed through the coil, there is a two opposite poles are formed between moving iron, and here we can see coil is outer side. Outer side is a coil. Okay, and inner side fixed iron and moving iron is given. Okay, and this is spindle. All the mechanism is mounted on spindle, and this is pointer. Okay, and this is pointer. Here we can see. Okay, this is the two instruments. I have shown to you internal structure of permanent magnet and moving iron instruments. फक्त तुम्हाला हे बेसिक डिफरन्स समजण्यात आले पाहिजेत. मूव्हिंग आयर्न म्हणजे काय, जिथे आयर्न मूव्ह होतो, कॉईल कॉन्स्टंट असते, कॉईल फिक्स्ड असते. ओके, आणि दुसरं एक इन्स्ट्रुमेंट आहे, हे पहा, परमनंट मॅग्नेट आहे आणि कॉईल मूव्ह होतो. ठीक आहे, दोन्ही इन्स्ट्रुमेंट्सचे इंटरनल कॉम्पोनंट मी दाखवण्याचा प्रयत्न केला आहे, दाखवलेले आहेत. ओके, so in this way we can write here resources used. Okay, resources used: voltmeter, PMMC voltmeter. Make of these instruments ME instruments. Okay, ME Mahesh electrical instruments. And details of these instruments is 230 volt DC voltmeter. Here details: 230 volt DC voltmeter. Details of these instruments are given on the dial. This is the dial. Okay, white portion is the dial. On dial there is a scale. Okay, and the details about these instruments are given in this point. Okay, you can see here model, grade, and operating position. It is a This is the symbol for permanent magnet moving coil. This is the symbol for permanent magnet moving coil, and this is the symbol for testing voltage. Okay, up to this testing voltage we can give the testing voltage star 2.5 means 2.5 kilovolt. We seen this detail in experiment number 1, and quantity remark if any here we can write. Okay, in this way the experiment number 2 is conducted, अशा पद्धतीने एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 2 आपण कंडक्ट केलेला आहे. For next practical number 3, keep watching SRG Technical. Thanks for watching this video.